Welcome to the next Durham College Student Academic Learning Services video on debits and credits. If you have not watched our Introduction to Debits and Credits, I recommend you do so now before continuing with this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the effects that debits and credits have on the owner's capital account. Let's begin. Before we do our example, we need to expand the accounting equation. We do this because equity is made up of 4 different account types that change the equation in different ways. Instead of equity, we're going to use capital, withdrawals, revenues, and expenses. Notice that withdrawals and expenses have negative signs in front of them. That means that whatever the balances in those accounts are, those balances are subtracted from the equation. When those accounts increase in value, they actually cause the right side of the equation to decrease. Again, an increase in the account causes a decrease in the equation. Arrows will be used to show the effects of debits and credits on the different types of accounts. Up arrows for increase, down arrows for decrease. Remember that debits are on the left side of T-charts and credits on the right. In this example, the owner of a company deposits $300 of his or her personal money into the company bank account. The cash deposited becomes an asset of the company, so we know that the cash account is debited because it is increasing. The owner gave something to the company. Whenever the owner of the company gives something to the company, the value is recorded in the owner's capital account. The cash account was debited, so the transaction needs a credit. The credit is applied to the owner's capital account. Rule 2 states that the equation must always be in balance. We know that the left side of the equation increased because of the debit. The only way for the equation to balance is for the right side to also increase. Note that there is a plus sign in front of the capital account type. Whatever the balance of the account is, it is added to the right side of the equation, causing it to increase. Therefore, the credit to the owner's capital account must have increased the value of the account. So now we know that credits increase the owner's capital account, and therefore debits decrease the owner's capital account. That brings us to the end of this video on debits and credits. Be sure to watch our other videos to learn how debits and credits affect different account types. If you have any questions about this material, I encourage you to come to the SALS Center located in room 204 of the Student Services building and make an appointment with the appropriate learning skills advisor. Thanks for watching.